Hey guys, how's it going? How to reach out to more recruiters on LinkedIn. So basically, if you want to know how to reach out, you're gonna see right here my network, and you're gonna be able to see, the people that you have or can engage with, right? Like recruiters, basically. And now, if you want to know how to reach out to the recruiters the proper way, you need to navigate towards their profile, and you will need to send a proper message, right? And you will need to say, or you need to be professional, basically. Now, if you are using LinkedIn to search and connect with recruiters in order to find the perfect job, you're not alone. And basically, in 2021, LinkedIn has over 600 million users in more than 200 countries, and completely fill out and optimize your LinkedIn profile in order to get a recruiter, including professional headshot, banner, optimized title with the keywords, full summary, employment, as we said before in the description, basically, and make a list of the companies in the agencies that you would like to work for. And if you're serious about your job search, this list will be 50 plus companies. And next, you need to pick the right professionals to connect with and send them a connection request. And this is where you need a simple but effective cold messaging strategy to ensure that your connection request does not fall on deaf ears. So keep it short and have a call to action. Nobody wants to read a long message, so keeping your messages short and simple is generally the best way to go. Do not waste time blowing smoke up their arse or blowing your own trumpet with a list of achievements. Your profile, if optimized, including a handful of recommendations, will do that for you. The real key is to include a call to action. If you don't know what you want or make it clear, how will the person reading your note know or how to respond? And I would use let's connect, or please check out my profile to see how could I help. And bottom line, when people say you can't get a job using social media, basically it's funny because you can. My clients achieve this every week. So you're gonna say, hi, I know, hype this person, and you're gonna type their name. I noticed that you are a recruiter in that city or whatever might be area, and I wanted to reach out to discuss potentially working together. I'm this and this and that, and share your experience, and currently seeking a new opportunities, and I'd love to find out if I may be fit for any of your current openings, and I'll also be happy to connect with you and other professionals in my field. So you gotta type, and then you gotta type the last paragraph, let's connect, and then add your name signature. So basically that's it. Keep it short and simple, and do not be excessive with your experience. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.